Welcome back to another Italian night in the vegan test kitchen, where there's never been a more perfect time to grab a glass of wine, because we're making pasta fazool. I'm gonna get right into it. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is grab 2 pounds of plum tomatoes, give them a good rinse, and chop them up in a medium dice. Grab garlic and mince. Right now I'm already in heaven. There's a lot going on right here, and it's a lot that I like. Alright, we're gonna grab a pot and start our pasta water. We're gonna put this large pan on a medium heat. Throw in your olive oil. Alright, once our oil is heated, we're gonna throw in our garlic. Saute that for a minute. And once it gets nice and fragrant, which it is, and it's lovely, we're gonna add our tomatoes, our wine or vegetable broth, and our thyme, oregano, salt, and a few dashes of black pepper. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna put it down to a medium heat again. Let the tomatoes break down a little bit, sauce get a little thick. About 20 minutes. All right, we're boiling, so put it back down to a medium. Let it do its thing. God, it smells amazing. Fun fact, pasta fazool literally means pasta and beans. Pasta fazool has very old roots. It can be dated all the way back to the Roman Empire, where it was originally made with black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas were one of the only varieties of beans available at the time. All right, while this is simmering away, we're gonna throw in our pasta. Now this pasta that you wanna use a small tube pasta. What I'm using is a ditalini. You have to do this every time you say an Italian word. Or you can do even a small shell, is what they recommended in the cookbook. I found this, I've never used these small tube pastas before, so it should be fun. You need a ½ pound. Don't use the whole package. Now's a good time to drain your beans. Any white bean will do. I have cannellini. Grab what you want. All right, our pasta's done, so let's drain it. Don't rinse it. You want it to be nice and starchy. All right, we are almost there. This is reduced quite a bit. It's a little bit thick. Tomatoes are broken down. Let's add our pasta and our beans. And we're gonna turn this down to a low. We're gonna heat it through for about 3 minutes. Let's try it. This smells fantastic. Now, first thought, from all the other dishes that I've seen, they seem to be a little bit more soupy than this. I guess if you like it a little bit more soupy, add some vegetable broth to it, possibly. This is my first time ever having pasta fazool, so I don't know what to compare it to, but I do know that it's delicious. I mean, it's pasta. What's not to love? The seasonings are perfect. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of this. You should make some yourself. You're gonna love it. And if you liked what you saw today, hit a thumbs up. I'd love you for it. And make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that stuff. I will see you all next time. Never a perfect time to never. Oh my God. Pasta fazool. That's what it's called. I didn't make it up.